So hi, this is Raymond. In this video, I'm going to perform disassemble, inspect our hydraulic parts, hydraulic components, and we're going to reassemble. So I have here a assembly of electric motor and our hydraulic components. So what will I do first is we're going to prepare first this one. So I have removed already and clean. Also prepare ourselves. So I have here my eye protection, the tools, place where I would put my components secured. So you have to separate first this electric motor. The first thing. So this is the area of hydraulic components. I have here the electron line and the supply line. So we're going to remove this first. Our supply line. So as you can see, the filter, this one need cleaning of course, or change or replace. We're going to inspect this one. So I have here the pump, the valve. So we're going to remove this first. Make sure we have our container for our bowls on that. Our pump. So here's our pump assembly, the shaft or the spline connected to the motor, our valve. I have here the valve assembly. It's just mounted in this motor. So here's our motor. This is our valve. Secure the parts. So since we're going to focus the hydraulic components, we're going to set aside this. So first we're going to inspect first visually inspection. Check first before disassemble. Also this, so this one's clearly have leak already in the valve assembly or valve body. So probably here or here. So we're going to remove this. Going to disassemble first. So we have removed already our pump. So here's the our pump assembly. So I have here the gear pump. So we have removed this one from here like this. So first thing, before we're going to clean, we will check first for any damage. So we will going to clean this one. As you can see, the face is already sign of wear. Also in this side. So we will clean this first. So the next one I have here, the valve body. So it's just, as you can see clearly that there's already sign of leak. So we will remove also this one by one. I have here the coupler or elbow for our hoses. So this one's line going to our actuator or hydraulic cylinder. Here our relief valve. We have here also our directional valve. So this is the main body of our control valve. We're going to remove also this one. We're going to clean this. So we have removed already the components of our valve body. So we're going to clean this one. So we have here our hydraulic components disassembled already and cleaning. So after cleaning, we're going to conduct inspection. So I have here so the first and the second one. So as you can see, after cleaning, that it's clearly in this area. We're going to check also for this. We have here our bearing. So check for wear also. For parts and components, always refer to manufacturer's parts or recommended parts for replacement, especially the kit for this one, O-rings and seal specifications of the product. Always refer to manufacturers. So I have here the first one. I have also here the second one. So inspect for this area. This one here. So as we can see that there's already sign of abrasion or wear in this part here. So since our shaft and gear is rotating this area, so this is the common wear part of our pump. And also check for our gears for wear, for this have broken or sign of damage. So here is our valve body assembly. So clean also already. This one for our directional valve. So as this one
as this button like metal is pushed, so we're going to allow the flow of our hydraulic, as you can see. So this one is going for our return. So as soon as this one is open, so the hydraulic flows to our return line, so it causes our lifter to go down. Also, we have also our relief valve for the protection of our hydraulic system, control the pressure. So as soon as the pressure reaches to its specification, so this one will open and relieve the pressure of our hydraulic, returning to our tank or reservoir. So I have here the handle, the couplings, nuts, and I have here I have here an OJT. So how this is the provision of our workshop with OJT. So this is Omar. He's OJT. He has his training of 2 years. It means duration. So 2 years of duration. So he is now on his final OJT. First, Omar should have already been oriented in the workshop, all the safety. So for now, Omar is in his 3rd month, so he has a 6 months duration of OJT. So on the training quiz or free bagi, the free sa learning, free malon.
شوية بس نمد كويس يعني لا شوي شغل.
He said that after his several months in training, so he has learnings already. So I asked him for the developments of his training. So also I recommend him that he will do his records. So he must pen and write everything the training. Omar, for example, hada trumba, hada sawa ball, hada sawi kida.
أيوة هذا.
وأنا أسوي برا بعدين أسوي يجي أيوه رجع بس هو ما في هذا كيك. الحين لازم أنت معلوم هذا إيش هذا أسوي هذا. So I tell him that I have here the pump. So he have already the fundamentals. He know already the parts and components. He just needs some more development for assembly. So I will be with him today, assembling this one. He said also that he will be writing his learnings and work that he has done in this workshop. Ma'am, ano yun? Last inspection. Ada langsung sabi gasil kulo, clean, secure kita. Ada kulo. Badin baka badang na. Ada separate. So I have also here hada relief valve. Huwa idi ziyada pressure, badin hada ifta. Ziyada pressure badin hada raja kita.
وقف هذا.
أيوة هذا أنت تسوي كده أنت تسوي كده ويجي رجع بعدين يجي برا زيت تروح هنا reservoir بعدين يجي لفتر هذا يجي تاهد. So I explain him the operation of our hydraulic components assembly. So we're going to assemble this procedure. Omar hada langsung di Z. So after cleaning and lubricating, so we will going to assemble this one. So first we will prepare this face here and this one. Yellow Omar. بعدين هذا الحين هذا
تزيد.
بعدين تركب هذا هذا لازم معلوم هذا وين هذا هنا هذا هنا كده أيوة rubber bearing yan Omar ada para awal kita para kita so Omar I tell him that for assembly we could use the specification of our manufacturer. We can use our torque wrench upon tightening our bolts. And so I have here the torque wrench. So since we have already assembled our pump assembly, so always so Omar هذا torque wrench هذا أسوي هذا إنسان بعدين أيوة بعدين ركب هذا هنا أيوة هذا sofa seal make sure the seal this area where it meets so Omar هذا this one the pump trumpa هذا bulb هذا يجي زيت برا يجي الحين نسوي تركب هذا كله هذا ترومبا هذا جير سوي رايت هذا هنا انت سوي رايت هذا ركبنا عربي هذا ترومبا هذا بلبا دي first هذا tools هذا torque wrench we use ركبنا كله so Omar sawi kalas hada tromba raka mia sawi torque kulo hada baden kalas gasir kulo o-ring hada bara rubber hada filter langsung gasir kulo hada so clean kalas okay o-ring hada o-ring sawi jadi wa kit wadin sawi jadi so الحين هذا ركب هذا صح هذا كلي هذا بعدين الحين هذا ثاني هذا
أكمل
kan terus so we have assembled already the our hydraulic components. So we have here our pump, our valves, our handle. So this one is ready to install again. Ada kalau syukur, langsung kasih kulo clean, clean, conduct 5 years, make sure check everything kulo, ada, so tight one, this one for our return line. So we have completed our hydraulic components assembled already. So Omar has his record also for his learning and data that he gathered, and then the tools that he used, first, the date, the information, the hydraulic, the components, the job that has been done, the techniques and steps that we do. So always refer to the manufacturer's specification for assembly for any hydraulic components, and then conduct 5S. So for the installation of our hydraulic components, make sure also that this one is clean. So we're going to clean this one. So clean, hello. Parang small na. Parang small. There. Once again, this is Raymond and this is Omar. So during his OJT period, we make sure that his learnings will be ensured. He will go back to his school with the learnings that he acquired. So all the steps, the procedure, the types of work that he do, he write it down. This is what the hydraulic components composed of. And this one is the simple hydraulic components. In machines or in other equipments, this one have a larger or complex components. So from engine to hydraulic pumps to control valves to our directional valves until our lines to our actuators. So for this one, we have the pumps, we have the valve driven by our motor. So this one's the one who creates the rotational mechanical energy converted to hydraulic energy or pressure. So converted again to mechanical as this one will lift and down our lifter. So we make sure always that our parts and components are in good condition, and also for the maintenance, filters, O-rings, and lubrication, and that's it. Thank you.